August, which is a dairy farm, and there's 36 cows milking here at the moment. Of course, there's more heads of cattle, but this is a fairly small farm, and it's a typical small family-run farm in Finland.
Lestijärvi is one of the smallest counties in Finland. It has a population of 717. With our household of 11 people, we form 1.5% of the county's population. Our twins are now about 1 year and 8 months, and they really are quite curious, and a farm has loads of places for them to disappear into, different kinds of tractor sheds and storage places, so they keep me busy.
When we go in the barn, we put on protective gear, hats and a barn suit just to protect us and keep the smells out.
This farm has a milking parlor, which means that there are 4 places on both sides, and you take in 8 cows at a time, wash them up and milk, and then let them go again and take in another 8 cows. The cows are milked twice a day, at 6 a.m. and then again at 4 p.m. And it takes about an hour and a half, or if you're really fast, maybe about an hour and 15 minutes each time. In Finland, there are very strict laws regarding antibiotics that are used on cows. None of the milk, when the cow is getting an antibiotic, can go into the tank and go to the consumer. And even after the cow is done using the antibiotic, it requires another 5 to 7 days, and it's tested through lab work to make sure that there are no remains in the milk before it can go into the milk tank. This barn is what you would call a loose housing system. So basically the cows can move around and they're not chained up. The cow that you can see here is a heifer and will actually be soon having a calf. A heifer basically is like a teenage cow, and so basically after it has its first calf, it becomes a cow and starts producing milk. Once the cow has had a calf, the first few days, maybe up to even 6 days, it produces colostrum, which is a very nutrient-rich, thick milk. This baby calf is a little bit smaller than they usually are. It was born a little bit earlier than normal, and now it's being fed through a bottle its mother's colostrum. The next day was much stronger and even started to stand up. Normally, they will start to stand up quite shortly after they're born. If you have an opportunity to get colostrum, just add a little bit of salt and put it in the oven. You'll get like a fresh oven cheese. It's delicious. Calves are very small. They have their own individual pen, and that way we're able to follow how they're doing and make sure that they're eating enough. Once they get a little bit larger, they graduate into a larger pen with other calves. Just beyond those trees is the lake Lestijärvi, which this farm resides right on the shores of the lake. And on the other side starts the forest, and a big part of Finnish culture is berry picking in the forests. Tell our story. If you like it, hit the like button, and if you really liked it, then hit the subscribe